This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 310PACK-10 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rural Hall, North Carolina, 27045 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Winston, Salem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.